CompTIA ITF Plus Complete Training Course. Exam Objective 5.3, Summarize methods used to interface with databases. SQL. SQL, or Structured Query Language, is a specialized computer programming language used to communicate with and manipulate databases. It provides a way for users and applications to interact with databases by sending requests for specific data or actions to be performed. SQL is mainly designed for maintaining the data in relational databases. It is a special language used by data professionals for handling structured data or data stored in the form of tables. Using a set of predefined SQL commands, you can easily create and manipulate a database, access and modify data, and grant or deny data access. For the purpose of preparing for the CompTIA ITF Plus certification exam, we will limit our studies to some of the more common commands and classify each of these commands in accordance with the official CompTIA exam objectives. Speaking of command classifications, I guess it is time to talk about the image behind me. CompTIA has divided SQL commands into two categories: DDL and DML. DDL, or Data Definition Language Commands, refer to SQL commands that manage the structure of your database, while DML, or Data Manipulation Language Commands, refer to SQL commands that manage the data. In the next few videos, we will examine some DDL and DML commands a bit closer. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more great content.